Now that gives you enough space that you can put the blankets under. That's right. Should be a D on the other side as well. Okay. And got your paper ready. A blotter on the tray?
Yeah. You put it on over everything else.
Really?
So that you won't get anything on the press.
Nellie has to learn how to use two different shops where people have their own ideas.
Look. I like it when it does that.
Looks nice, though. I think it looks nice.
Yeah, I think those relief inks work. Well, it's still fuzzy, though, isn't it? Oh, that looks nice. Fuzzier than it's supposed to be, and I think it's the paper's fault.
Thank you, Nellie.
My pleasure. Yeah.
It's tricky moving that around without getting ink on everything, isn't it?
Oh, Lynda, help me remember.